Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi 9T, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Firstly, open Play Store and type Magic Fluids. Then you need to download this app from this developer and open it. Now click at the three lines at the bottom right corner and choose Settings. Now choose I accept and customize your wallpaper however you want to. When you're done, click at the top right corner and button 1 again. Then choose Set as Live Wallpaper, click on Set Wallpaper, and decide if you want to see it on home screen or home screen and lock screen by clicking on one of the options. So when I go back, I can see that my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!